Thank you, South Asia Pacific Manthan Award, respected jury members, distinguished guests, and dear friends. I am delighted to be here. Good afternoon, everyone. Very first, I believe the power of education. Without education, good education, I wouldn't be here in front of you and sharing this my work so far. For a kid belongs from a small village of Jharkhand, and then with a family background of non-matric parents and 4 sibling brothers. It was hard, but because of good education, I am here and sharing with you all what millions of other students can get benefit of. Very first, what is Buddy for Study? Buddy for Study is a platform where we are trying to connect all school students and college students to the relevant scholarships. Simple. Our mission is, one side there are students, millions of students, and another side there are scholarships. Hundreds, thousands of scholarships, worth rupees of thousands of crores. Problem. One of the very devastating figure is only 15% students are enrolled in higher education. What is the biggest challenge? The expensive education fee, college fee, commutation, transportation, textbook costs. And believe me, if we are seeing a lower side of the pyramid, it is very hard for them to afford these costs. Second point is, people think that education loan is supporting them, but the data says that in year 2009 only 1% of student has received the education loan. Now what is another channel? The biggest challenge is grants and scholarships. There are hundreds of organizations supporting students, but because students are not applying for them, they are not disbursed to them. Sharing some examples, some stats. In Karnataka, there is a scholarship. There is a central government funded scholarship, CSS scholarship. There were total 4,237 seats with value of 30,000 rupees to 70,000 rupees. Total number of applications received in year 2013 was 2,000. Hundreds of applications were rejected because of minute mistakes. In Jammu and Kashmir, Prime Minister's Special Scholarship Scheme supporting 5,000 students from the value of 90,000 rupees to 12 lakh rupees of worth scholarship. The application received till the deadline was only 400. Why students are not applying for it? This is another statistic. Post-matric scholarship for minority communities, Muslim, Sikh, Christian, Parsi, Jain. This is a very known scholarship, but still students are not applying for it. And this is a statistic as per CAG report that 177 crore fund was unutilized. Where we are saying one side that their students are not enrolling in the college, they have fund which is unable to disburse to the right kind of audience. Now, what is the solution? We need to have a system where all such opportunities to be posted regular basis and in very authentic and trusted manner. Buddy for Study is started 3 years back with the similar point, and then we realized something in the path. One, even information available on the website is not reaching out to the right kind of audience. Internet illiteracy, English literacy are the biggest challenge. So we need to have some communication system where the students can be notified on the right time. And then we come up with SMS alert service. At present, we have around 1,700 SMS subscribers across the country. Then even if you are empowered them, enable them, aware them about the opportunity, the biggest challenge they are facing is how to apply for them. They need to download the form. They need to fill it. They don't know the meaning of attesting those documents. So they need inputs, and believe me, scholarship providers won't take care of these queries from the students. Even if you call them, the numbers will be engaged. So Buddy for Study come up with this solution called we will helping them with the application process, with the partnership with the local NGOs. For example, we have worked with Kapadganj Kelawani Mandal in Gujarat, and we have some staggering statistics we'll be sharing with you. So what Buddy for Study is doing? It's very big challenge to connect everyone. But if we connect each of the key stakeholders of education, we can do wonders. Buddy for Study at present is partnering with students, scholarship providers, educational institutes, schools and colleges and universities, then NGO and community directly. So this is our web portal page. This is at present India's largest scholarship information portal, highly trafficked. You can see in the first column there are some filters from where students can filter the whole scholarship. There are more than 1,000 scholarships posted in our website. So if you are a class 10 students, you can check out the opportunity in class 10. You can select it. If you need mean-based scholarship, you can select the criteria. And same as the state-wise. Data, the filters are there. Second, SMS alert service, as I already mentioned. Then this is the India's first scholarship guidebook. I authored this book with 150 scholarships opportunities information on this. It has some intelligence with the links provided there, so that any parent can aware them about the opportunities on time. And this is our scholarship application support service. These are our products and services we are offering to society. So at present, what is our reach? We have partnered with the Hindu, Amar Ujala, Prabhat Khabar, Haribhumi newspapers, and enabling reaching out to the audience which are not connected to internet. And we are also diminishing the barrier of called language, English. Our partner Haribhumi, Prabhat Khabar are Hindi newspapers, so we are reaching out to Hindi audience. So total 75 lakh scholarship alerts are printing at present going on across country. We have connected to around 200 plus schools so far, and 3,000 plus scholarship guidebooks we have sold. So impact. Total 77,000 students are registered with us. More than 700 plus students have been awarded with scholarship because of our timely awareness. And the amount is around 52 lakhs, which is we have so far tapped. This is a case of Nandini. She lost her father in class 10. She studied in scholarship in class 11, 12, and then Weltech Engineering College. She did BTech in aerospace engineering. Now she has got an offer letter from NTU, Nanyang Technical University, Singapore, to pursue her higher study, Masters in Aerospace Engineering. The problem here is she needs financial support. And with our intervention, we opened up her case in Buddy for Study portal, and people came out in their site, and they actually sponsored her education in first semester and second semester. She is right now a second year student in NTU doing his masters. I am saying it's not only government or corporate, it's also the individuals who are helping students. Second case is Ashana. She wants to become an engineer, and her father is, if you want, can I continue? Yeah, so just okay. These are the cases where students have received the scholarships because of Buddy Foster intervention, and they are right now pursuing their colleges. She is a principal of KDB Public School, Ghaziabad. This is the first school, and all teachers are subscribed for SMS alerts, and their libraries are having our scholarship guidebook. This is her father's testimony about Buddy for Study. These are our partners and associations so far. This is our team, myself, Raj Kishore and Saurabh Mehrotra. These are advisors. No team can grow without the right mentorship. So these are the people behind us who are giving us the direction, the vision. And at the last, in conclusion part, I want to share one last thing. If you are going back to your home or your hometown or your place, and you are seeing some kid who is married, who are struggling with their financial aid, now you exactly know there is a portal, there is a platform from where you can fetch the help to this guy. Thank you very much.
Lovely. So, could you just come over this side? Take the mic and just stand this side while they load up. Can you load up the next presentation?
Max to stay informed, Girish Ramdas.
Okay, my question is pretty much the same to everyone. Do you have a revenue model which sustains this?
Yes, sir. Actually, we have. The scholarship SMS alert cost around 100 rupees to 299 rupees. And so far we have 1,700 subscribers with us. And we are partnering with many foundations and providing them this all scholarship management panel. And this is a B2B kind of thing, but yes, we have good.
So this is only from the supply side you're charging?
Both sides. Actually, in the scholarship provider side, if we think, their biggest challenge for them is the scholarship promotion side. And with partner of Buddy for Study, if they are partnering with us, we are promoting him through media, through newspaper, through Buddy for Study itself, then email, SMS, everything. So for them, it's again a big business value without incorporating any much labor, manpower. They can reach out to across the country.
Lovely. Questions from the audience? I think this is a pretty impressive idea. Yes, ma'am, go ahead.
You have mentioned that you connect with schools and all other places. You provide them the scholarships. But do you also connect with the content providers, education firms, and maybe, for example, they need a scholarship for 10th class, but the education content material and the resources are also required. So do you connect with those also, or is there any plan of connection?
Yes, actually, when we started this thing, we have come up with this AAP. Figure. A for awareness, A for application, and P for preparation. So we have done with the awareness channels, and now we are working on the application side. For preparation side, you rightly mentioned, we are coming up in, this is in our vision, this is in our mission in coming 1 year or maximum 6 months you will be seeing.
I would like to connect.
Thank you.
Yes, please go
One
ahead.
question is, do you actually connect with the government? Do you have people, you have a lot of government scholarships, right? Can you apply online? Would you provide that kind of a facility to apply? Or people have to, it's a typical form that you can download and put?
Yes, ma'am. The basic problem with the schemes, they are not standardized. Some scholarships are asking online applications, some are asking offline applications, some are asking send them a request to get the application form. So it depends upon the organization or the channels or the scholarship providers. So how we are helping them out with the students, that first awareness is mandatory. Every student must know that there are opportunities for them. Second, if they are having query related to the application form acquisition, we are helping them out. And third, if they are applying for it and they are having queries like guidelines for filling the form online or offline. So we have our partners in different parts of the country. So we are helping them out in directly mentoring
You're
also.
not really doing the actual connection of the application with the
In coming days, maybe we will be partnered with scholarship providers directly. Then okay, the application will be moved from Buddy First. Yes, sir.
Okay, just quickly, and then one question here, and we'll need to speed this up. Yes.
The ratio that you have of people that got scholarships. So you mentioned 500 people got scholarships, and you mentioned you had almost, I think, 50,000 subscribers. So it's a 1% sort of ratio. Now, is that ratio the fair ratio, or do you think it's a very low ratio? And are you looking at reasons? If you have a website like yours, reasons why people don't get those applications.
Okay, let me also
take your question at the same time, so you can address both. One is the ratio. Okay,
जो न्यूज़पेपर के साथ में आपका पार्टनरशिप है, तो वो किस तरह की सर्विसेज ले रहे हैं? एक तो न्यूज़ कंटेंट को लेकर ले रहे हैं या एजुकेशनल?
Let me start with the first question. Sir, you rightly said there are total 77,000 members of Buddy for Study. So this is basically our online reach, that we are reaching out to those many people. The students who have subscribed for scholarship alerts are different, or maybe some of them, but not all of them. And third, the application side. The scholarship receiver, basically, the application support is given through our partner, like Kaparvanj Kelani Mandal in Gujarat. They have around 12,000 students. We help them out with the opportunity, information on time, and there 1,200 students have applied for it. So out of 1,200, 700 students receive a scholarship. So this is like students are too novice, too unfriendly with the internet world. They cannot help themselves basically for the opportunity. So they need some kind of direct connection. So we are trying our best to reach out to as many NGOs and foundations, or as well as schools, and maybe in coming days you will see that more and more students ratio will be increased. But we are building our channels.
Okay.
And second, your question, sir, newspaper and media. This is actually very latent about the scholarships of information awareness. Nobody knows that these are actually 1,700 scholarships exist in India. So what we are done with these newspapers, we are giving them a regular feed every week as per the audience. Like the Hindu audience is 16-25 years youngsters in South India, looking for international opportunities or say college level opportunities. So we are giving them such kind of content. For example, in Prabhat Khabar, Jharkhand, Bihar, they are more like rural and semi-urban. So we are providing them such kind of mean-based scholarship. So it depends upon the media we are partnering with. So I think I have answered your question.
Okay, great. Thanks very much.
Wonderful idea. Okay, could we move on to the next one?
Yes.